Welcome to inSitu Academy. In this module we will be training you on how to set up an optimized dispatch system for your drivers. The first part will teach how to use invoices to create your delivery route through the admin portal. The second will be demonstrating how a driver would utilize the app and its features on deliveries. First, reps will need to download the app onto their mobile device. For iPhone or iPad users, either search Dispatch Sales on the App Store, or scan the QR code shown on the left. For Android or tablet users, either search Dispatch Sales on Google Play, or scan the QR code shown on the right. Next, an admin for your company will need to log into the admin site and register a new field rep user. Make sure to specify that the license will be for a driver. Once your account has been set up with a valid license, retrieve your login credentials, and use them when prompted in the app. In the admin section we will demonstrate how to create new invoices and review existing ones. Add those invoices to a route, assign multiple drivers and points of origin with a scheduled timesheet, track progress between stops, and more. First, start by creating an invoice through the Sales module. If you're using inSitu inventory, an invoice will be generated automatically from a fulfilled order. Afterwards, go to the Delivery Dispatch tab. Then over to the Routes section, and find the corresponding invoice in the list. It's important to note that the invoices will show up on the calendar based on the shipping date entered. Next you need to assign a driver you'd like to receive the route, and mark where they should begin from. You can also insert the expected time your driver will spend at the site of each stop, as well as what time their route will officially start. You can set color codes for each driver to help differentiate if a day has multiple deliveries. Select the lasso tool, then click and hold to designate the point from which you want to draw your radius, while dragging the cursor out to cover customers you're including in the route. Finally, select to optimize. This will create an ordered path of the fastest route your driver can follow along their stops, starting from your origin point. All optimized routes for the day will be organized and displayed on our route schedule to visualize the projected timeline for your drivers based on the distance and assumed duration of each stop. Multiple routes can be assigned to different drivers beginning from the same origin location, allowing more range handling deliveries from the same warehouse. Similarly, when using a warehouse closer to another territory, admins can set a new point of origin for another driver. Each driver will appear on the route schedule using your settings. Driver progress can be tracked on both the dashboard and routes tabs. Stops marked in transit have been started and are currently in progress, and will be marked as delivered when complete. On the routes tab, admins can trace the route and see points change color based on their status. This can also be seen reflected in the route summary timesheet. In the driver section, learn how to make full use of the app and its features during deliveries as a dispatch driver. On the driver's app, select the matching date for the dispatch, and the mapped out route will appear starting from wherever the designated origin was set. If no stops appear, tap on the refresh icon in the bottom right. Swipe up on the tab noting the stops on the bottom of the screen. From here you can review the locations, and what inventory is expected for each delivery. And when ready, start the delivery. Once a delivery has begun, an estimated time of arrival and the prompt to complete the delivery will appear. Drivers can receive directions from maps using the icon in the top right. You can optionally include point of delivery confirmation as a signature, a picture, and a text note. Upon completing your delivery, a timestamp will be created and added to the stop, marking the completion time. The indicator on the top right will keep track of how many stops you've completed, and how many are left. The app will move on to the next stop, where you can once again begin the delivery when ready and receive a new estimated time of arrival. Thank you for watching our inSitu Academy module. You now have everything you need to set up an optimized delivery dispatch system for your drivers. Our inSitu Sales app for sales reps, or our inSitu Inventory app for pickers. Or, you can learn how to seamlessly expand into omni-channel sales using a self-service ordering portal through our B2B e-commerce.